Hello everyone, welcome to my simulations video. Now I want to show you my progress project. And this time I want to show you my progress. Here is my progress. I want to simulate my HMI. I will show you my HMI design. Wait a moment, because system must be compel my programming. Okay, now I want to show you. I want to explain my design. Okay, this is the main screen or first screen. In first screen, have container several items. I want to explain one by one. Login button, logout button, start button. This must be start and stop. And then alarm item, alarm process, alarm view or review, configuration, home and back. It means like back to the first or previous. And then manual mode, parameter motor, parameter SPR or power control, and parameter IO, PID, and power monitoring. And here's the emergency button, and here's the switch off the HMI. In here I have a inverter. This is like the indicator input ready. It means like the if Profibus or Profinet or connections to drive successfully, this indicator will be switched or will be on. It's the same to here. Profile control, engine fan to temperature transmitter must be ready, and mass sensor is ready. It means like if system connected to PLC is ready, so indicator must be on. Okay, I want to continue again. In here I have language selections. If I select normally, will be show up English selections, and if we press that, it will be to Germany. Okay, now I want to show you for English selections. Okay, I want to show you for manual mode. Here's manual mode. In manual mode, I make describe for step by step. Before operate for manual must be read in here. This is like the informations before operate for manual. Okay, manual mode application describe configuration step to RTC driver third machines manually. For this purpose, preventive maintenance on partial machinery system are listed. Okay, for blower exhaust compare model. All of them show partial applications in RTC drive third plan. By selecting one of the input set value speed, forward and reverse, they system are located. It means like the system lock. Why? Because the operating unit can be simulated with login as user. Okay, if I log as a user, so I can operate, I can input set value, speed, I can operate forward and reverse, and then whatever. And then what about the power controller? It's the same. They have the status. The status information on the button can be simulated via HMI. Set value temperature can be simulated on screen. Okay, set value power output can be simulated on screen. Run power and set value parameter can be simulated with login as user. If I login as user, I can operate in the same to intake blower, exhaust blower, in compare motor. The sense progression. Check the auxiliary contact every load is closed. All of them can be monitored by screen page. It means like all of system can be reviewed or viewed in HMI. Check emergency button is deactive. Check switch door of machinery is closed. Okay, we continue again to manual mode inverter or manual mode power control. The same. We select this, select manual mode inverter, press, and then we continue to next screen. In here, HMI show to us all informations we have to read before operate. Manual mode intake blower. Okay, here's the panel for manual intake blower. Okay, here's the selections. What do we operate? For example, if I operate the exhaust blower, we press this, manual panel will be changed. If I want to control the compare motor, I can press this, change this, and then intake blower, change this. It's the same. This is the machine system for FTC dryer 3, and in here we have a compare motor. Here's the like the exhaust blower. Here's the intake blower, and then if we run, we have to make sure as user. It means like we have to login successfully. Okay, we have to login successfully. If we don't login, we can operate manually for this. This is manual panel. We can operate that if we don't successful login as user. Okay, for example, in here, if I press everything in here, the system request to us must be login. Okay, or in first screen we have to login in here, or automatically login in operator panel, like that. We can input as user login and password. I want to login as user from here, from first screen. Okay, first screen. I want to login as admin. And then I give my password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it means the system will display to us that login successfully. Okay, how about if login not successful? For case password not good or password is wrong, not working. How about if password is not good or false, not working? So that's why I want to continue with my good password. my right password. Okay, I want to continue again. Manual mode inverter, I'm select that. Whatever what I want to operate. For example, I want to operate access flower manual mode. In here, I have to input numeric in here as speed. This is set value and this is the present value. Okay, now I want to input, maybe I want to input 1500 RPM. Okay, this is, and here's RPM for inverter. Okay, in my video, in these sections, I'm not connected to drive because I don't have inverter right now, so that's why we don't have a feedback, so the present value will not display because not connecting for inverter. Okay, I want to continue to select forward. If I select forward or reverse according to us, this is a manual control for access blower. I want to forward and then I want to run. If I run, this motor will be changed. We have to see for machines. Okay, I want to run. Okay, now the motor already running, and here is running. If I stop, the motor will be stopped. If I running again, the motor will be running. How about if I change to reverse? If I change to reverse, we run again, the motor will be changed for running operations in reverse. Okay, now I want to operate for compare motor. I want to control again. I want to input, maybe compare must be have a speed 500 RPMs. We have to input in here, and now I want to select powered operations and then running. Okay, the operations is running for powered. We see here the motor is running too. This is the panel and this is the system, machinery system. Okay, how about if I stop? The machines will be stopped. The compare motor stop. How about if I operate for reverse? If I reverse and running, the motor will be changed display. It means like that motor running for reverse. It's the same to here. Okay, I want to control again for intake blower manual mode here. Now I want to change the speed, maybe 1000 RPM. Okay, I want to select forward or reverse according to what do I want or what do machines running normally. For example, I want to running for forward and running. The machines is running for intake blower. How about if I connect stop and then select for reverse and running again? The same. Machines running or motor running for reverse rotations, and then I want to back for first screen. In here we have operations that machines running. Okay, and then I want to continue for manual mode for power controller. In here is the same. We have the machine start. motor still running, and conveyor still running. Okay, the same to here. For power control zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, this is the panel. Automatically this is the panel. We can input in here. This is the feedback for power controller aspire. This is the feedback for voltage. It means like the output voltage outgoing, and this is the ampere, and this is the set temperature. We have to set temperature for material. It means like the monitoring temperature in here, and chamber. This is like the actual temperature from machines, and this is we have to set. Okay, it's the same to manual control heater zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, and zone 6. It's the same. Okay, because we don't have the heater and we don't have the power controller, so I can connect it here. I can't show you. Now I want to go back to first screen, and then we go back to power monitoring. In here, this is the topology for power consumptions, management power consumptions. So this is the panel power. This is the panel power. It means like the monitor for power. This is incoming PLM. Incoming. We can monitor power totally in HMI, because this device will be sent to PLC and display in HMI. It's the same to another. This is the power meter for Snyder. This is zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and zone 4, zone 5, zone 6. So power meter for Snyder will be show us power consumptions from power controller to heater. This is aspire or drive heater zone 1, drive heater zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, and zone 6. Okay. Additional for blower motor. This is the, it means like the intake blower motor driver. This is the inverter Danfoss exhaust motor connected to here. This is the Danfoss again, and this is second pair connected to here again. All data will send to PLC and display in here. Now I want to continue to first I want to monitoring or to see ampere consumptions or voltage consumption and power consumptions from operations. Now I want to press here, and then we will see ampere every zone. And here zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, and zone 6. And here's the totally incoming ampere totally using two machines. What about the continue to voltage consumption here? It's the same. It will show to us voltage using to zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. This is like the totally machines will be working for voltage consumptions, and then It's the same to power consumptions. Will be get informations power consumptions for heater zone 1. There is power active and frequency will be same. Okay, now PID and parameter and SPR control is the same. And then how about the alarm? If I press here, you will see alarm system in here. It will show to us if the system have error, so it will show to us. Okay, I want to continue. If I want to reset the alarm, I press here, or if I don't understand, I can ask in here. I can ask this, what means the alarms? Okay, I can press here. Okay, in this below I have the parameter. This is just like the actual temperature. This is actual temperature, zone 1, chamber and material. Actual chamber 2 and material, chamber 3 and material, chamber 4, and then a humidity blower 1 and a temperature blower 1. This is the speed blower and speed exhaust and speed compare. And this is the sensor material and sensor change 1 and change B. And auxiliary contact. This is auxiliary contact 1 for heater, auxiliary contact 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and emergency post 1. This is emergency main panel, emergency again. Okay, I want to back to home. If I stop the motor for intake blower, stop, and then change to reverse forward, and then run again, and then go back to first screen. This will be show up. And if I operate for compare, here's the compare. If I change to forward, run again, and then back to one screen, this is will be show to us that machinery forward. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I already make progress for today, and then I want to continue again for several programming. Okay, I hope you stay healthy and stay close in your home, and I will come back to you very soon with high progress or another progress. Thank you very much, and bye bye.